Wow, superb. Now today I'm speaking from a very beautiful place which is called Chandru Fall, Sardaro. This particular place is situated on main route from Gomia to Vishnugarh Hazaribagh. But remember, it is very difficult to reach here before 8 a.m. and after 5 p.m. It is not a very safe place. It is in the middle of the dense forest. So don't come here with members of families, particularly with children and ladies. It's really very difficult to reach here. Only bike can reach here. This is the way, and still you may see the beautiful scenery, but it is not safe. Wild animals can appear here, so you always come with. You don't come alone here. Now, wow! See the great Shiv temple. Great Shiv temple, constructed on the top of the hill. Wow, super. Here, Shivling of this temple spontaneously occurred. Nobody brought it from anywhere. This is the situation. This is the location. It was developed, but it was not developed properly. Pranam. Pranam. This particular temple is now situated in the middle of the dense forest. Nobody you may see here, on the bank of river Konar. What a beautiful place, but it is not safe. Don't come alone. Now I'm taking you to a very beautiful scene. Just wait. Now I'm going towards there. Oh, it's really very difficult to move here. Wow, superb. So many persons came on the auspicious occasion of Happy New Year. They come and enjoy and celebrate picnics. See, you may look at here. But people, I would like to request you all not to do such not to throw like these garbages. It's a very beautiful scene. Wow, what a beautiful place. Wow, superb. Great fall. Now I'm coming towards that. Wait just a minute. One more way. This is not safe. Nobody should come here alone. Very beautiful scene. Just wait, I'm showing you. Wow, it's really very difficult to come. Oh, it's very dangerous. Wow. This is called Chandru Fall. It's not such safe here, so I can't go ahead. You may see here, this is the Chandru Fall. The water is now coming. I think it's more than 200 meters. 200 meters high. Wow, super! What a beautiful scene. Here, one more fall. It is not safe. That's why I'm not going ahead. It's very dangerous. Take care. Children should not go ahead. Thank you. Here you may sit Wow, superb. No doubt. Hut winning also. This is called Chandru Fall. Sardaro Hazari Bagh. It is River Konar is now flowing gently. Superb. Hut winning. I think I am the first person who is now making this vlog on this very dangerous place. But take care. Don't come alone and don't come with your children and ladies also. Be careful. This is Asim Kumar speaking from Chandru Fall. Wow, superb. That one, that place also. Here once again you look at. I can't go ahead. It's very dangerous. That's why I'm not going ahead. So I would like to request you all to come here, and I would like to request the government to make to construct the road so that people may come here and enjoy this beautiful scenery. And I think the Department of Tourism can also play a very important role in beautifying this place. Superb, great opportunity. Once again, you look at this beautiful fall. I don't want to come. See, great. I don't want to leave this place, but what should I do? It's not safe to stay here long. That's why I will have to go. Thank you very much.